Yo, he putting that jerk chicken up on the grill.
Today I found something I did not expect to find in Thailand. Trinidad-style jerk chicken, right here in Jomtien. And if this tastes even close to the Caribbean, we might have a problem.
Yo, the food is coming out. Look at it. Got them jerk chicken wings.
I know I love the flats.
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are here in Jomtien, Thailand, which is Pattaya, and I'm about to go to a spot called the Jerk Pit. Thailand got the good. Let's go over here to the Jerk Pit, see what they have. Let's go check it out.
Jomtien is known for its beach vibe, expats, relaxed lifestyle. But Caribbean food, that's different.
Uh-oh, nothing on the grill. What's up, brother? How you doing? All right, my man.
So my name's Shiraz. I'm the owner of the Jerk Pit. We've been trying to do this for like 6 years now. We started out just doing free barbecues, different bars. We've been open 3 months now. And the jerk chicken's good. Come down to try us, check us out. It's humble vibes, man. We're spreading Caribbean food, spreading love, spreading good vibes, energy, all of that. And we do our own signature Scotch bonnet sauce because we grow our own Scotch bonnets.
They grow their own Scotch bonnet peppers, y'all. We're about to go over here. Let's go check it out. Hey, what's going on, fella? How you doing?
Now, if you know jerk chicken, you know it's all about the marinade. Scotch bonnet peppers, spices, thyme, smoke, and love. And look at this, Thai hands cooking Trinidad flavor. This is what I love about travel. Cultures mixing, food connecting people.
Hey, who taught you this? Who? How you know? How you know how to make jerk chicken?
This grill right here, that's where the magic happens.
Yo, we're about to get the 10 wings, the fries, and the Scotch bonnet sauce. I told him, make sure you do not put the Scotch bonnet sauce on my wings because y'all know how I be like. Yo, the food is coming out. Look at it. Got them jerk chicken wings. Let's check it out. Y'all know I need a little ketchup. Oh, she's doing the model hole move on it. Thank you very much, Kapung Prak. Check it out. Check it out. Oh my God. This is the Scotch bonnet. They grow their own Scotch bonnet peppers right here in Thailand. It ain't a joke. It ain't no joke, y'all. It ain't no joke. Look at that. Oh God, wait a minute. Look at it. Y'all know I love the flats. Oh my. You got the you got. Hold up, wait a minute. That's that Scotch bonnet sauce right there. Oh my God. Look, y'all. I keep looking at the French fries dropped on the ground. I'm about to pick that up. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody.
That's actually funny.
Oh.
You gonna do it? That was it.
Oh wow. What do you think, man? Okay, we got pans on here too. I gotta turn it around.
Look, I told y'all we know where the food spot is.
Look, Pando just said he know where the food at. I am not arguing with him.
Thought I was joking.
He said I thought this was a game. He is not playing. Nope. Look, y'all, I'm about to go. Cause I'm gonna just sit here and eat this food right.
I mean, I don't even usually like hot or like
spicy?
Spicy, so this sauce tastes good.
I don't think I'll never clean the bone down like this. Not even at the country style cook-off. This is Scotch bonnet pepper sauce that they made with it. Ain't no joke. It ain't no joke. Hold on, let me tip this down a little bit. There we go, right there. I asked him to turn the music down for about 5 minutes. We gonna need about 8 minutes. Look at that, y'all. The skin is just right. The flavor's just right. The seasons on that chicken is just right. The crunch is just right. Hold on. One thing is for sure, I will definitely come back here. Look, I'm about to pick that French fry up here. Wait a minute, you got ketchup? Hold on. I was waiting for a bottle of ketchup, y'all. Look what he gave. Hold on. You put ketchup on your fries?
I do, but it's all good right now, whatever.
Oh, this is what we're gonna do right here. Oh, that's good. That's good, that's good. Check it out, y'all. Got that ketchup. Oh, that's it. Ooh, that's that McDonald's ketchup. Hold it down. Hold it down. A McDonald's got official ketchup. It's official, bro.
It's official?
It's the truth. Only thing I got though, question. What's going on with the McDonald's ketchup?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, never.
You collected, man. Yo, save money when you can. Some people like ketchup with their fries, you know.
Save money when you can. You know how some of y'all got them drawers back home with all that ketchup from Burger King, McDonald's? He's putting it to use. Because when y'all get ready to move, y'all be throwing it in the trash. This man is recycling. Big up to the recyclers of the world. All right, y'all. I'm about to end the video after this one right here. One more. We got Kando here eating with us. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm eating with Kando. He told me about this spot. It wasn't like I told him, like, yo, come over here and check this joint out.
Yeah, we made it. We made it.
We made it. The sauce is on there. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Thanks for supporting the channel. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe. Leave a comment. If you want to join the channel, go to patreon.com/Matt DV Williams. I love you, cats. We out. We out. For real, we out. Okay, maybe 2 more minutes. Thanks, brother. Oh, they got them seasonings on there.
But them don't like me, and we don't like them.
Hey.